Welcome to Shape Software. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the Notes sidebar and how to edit note types in the settings pages. When you open a record in Shape Software, we have the productivity sidebar here on the left-hand side that helps you track the progress of a lead, take notes, and also take action. In this video, I'll only be covering the notes section of the sidebar, but in future videos, I'll cover the rest of the sidebar navigation items. To add notes in the Notes sidebar, all you have to do is press this little plus button and you can type your notes here. You can also choose the category in which this note falls under. I'm going to show you how to change these categories in the settings pages in just a bit. For this, I'm just going to choose important and I'm going to save the note. And you can see here that it showed up on the sidebar. If you need to edit or delete these notes at any time, you can edit, change the notes, press save, and you can see that it edited immediately. You can also delete these notes over time. We also have the ability to filter these notes. You can filter by note type and also the time frame if you are trying to find a note. By default, we give you a variety of note types within your system. However, we do have a settings page if you need to change these at any time. To change these note types, you just go into the settings page and navigate to the Edit Note Types under Preferences, and you can change them here. To add a new note type or to edit any of these, you can either press Choose and Edit, and you can change them here. Or you can add new note types by clicking on the blue button in the upper right-hand corner and adding a brand new one. If you have any questions about how to add notes or how to manage note types, you can reach out to your account manager, your sales rep, your onboarding specialist, or send an email to support@setshape.com.